Þetta endirinn, 10. bekkur búinn. Finn tárin brjótast út úr mér. Sárt að þurfa að kveðja alla hér. Þetta endirinn. Hef hugsað þessa stund lengi að þurfa að fara úr heppunni. Við viljum frekar deyja hér. Engin flóra, engin gummi, engin gulla til þess að skamma mann. Engin Eygló, engin Kristín, engin Rannveig til þess að þrífa heppuna. Þrífa heppuna.
Heppuskóli er það sem allt byrjaði. 10 ár í heppunni. Þegar þetta er allt búið, þú getur hringt, ég er alltaf til að koma í heppuna.
Hér Stífó, mamma Gauju og Ásthildur til þess að gefa þér að borða. Hér er Lena, hér er Ingibjörg og hún Eva til þess að koma með góða brandara. Góða brandara.
Sem er í heppunni mega teljast hepp að hafa fengið inngöngu inn í heppuna. Virtastu skólinn á fucking Íslandi. Komdu með í heppuna.
Hér er Bjössi, hér er Bryndís, hér er Sædís til þess að taka snartæki. Hér er Gunnar, hér er Elsa, hér er Gauji til þess að taka hurðasprengjurnar.
Today we're gonna show you how we're gonna fish a fish in the bay. The bay in Hornafjörður in Iceland, in Europe, in the world, planet Earth. So this is very simple. You get a net and a boat. So really what's gonna go now, you see Ólafur, or as known as Óli, use the net and try to fish on him. I am his partner. You can see him on the white boat, representing the fat kid right over there in emo, something like that. And now we have the one in with the GoPro 3 Plus in the red boat. You can see it now. You cannot see his face, but his name is Guðjón, or Godman. Well, this is something, so he's laughing at that. So anyway, now you can see we are trying to use the net and laying it down So we can try to fish something, get fish, sell to tourists, make money, something like that. But Oliver is not here to tell you more about this, so I'm gonna just tell you about it. Anyway, this island over there is Borgey. There's a Gudjon right there, but Borgey over there is very beautiful and a big island. And if you look behind Gudjon, you can see it in a minute after 50 seconds, 17, maybe 2 minutes, okay? You can see Mikli, but this started video, so we can't see it right now. Anyway, Borgey is a very beautiful island, and you see there is a big rock in it. The rock came because of the volcano. One time there was no water over there, but the Vikings believe the goddess, and the gods can make the water rain, and everything got into shit, ice, everything. So they can easily walk across the country to Denmark. Denmark, the største vandet. This is not right. Okay, and you see, the engine we are using, his name is Suzuki, 15 horsepower. These are nothing before my boat is 45. Anyway, the cameraman is retarded right now, cause he is like wiggling around the camera. So yeah, Gudjon learned to hold the camera before you became a cameraman. You see, Oliver is coming right now, so talk now about what we are doing right now.
Yes, we are laying the net. Hope we catch some fish here right now, and maybe we going to drink some. Yeah. This is candy. Bjarmi, do you want a candy? Yes.
So this has been the first clip of the movie Babe. You're gonna see it now, but we're not gonna do this. We're gonna show you the whole movie, blah blah blah. And you see, now we're just gonna wait for the.
The name is Mikli, and we catch some fish around the island here, and you can pick up the goose eggs, yes, and there is a net, and we are just talking, and
What are you doing?
now we. Here we see the fishing net, so we catching. I have a much fishing net, not now with me, because we are just slowly fishing. And here you see Borgey. It's beautiful island, big rocks. Yes, and the Suzuki doesn't click, and we are gonna halda áfram.
Two, which is larger but harder to see, but of course Oliver trusted me to let the net down, and yeah, you can guess what happened. but don't know me, so they don't have to. Anyway, so you see the net right there. You saw it right before we start going around and placing it. You saw Ólafur lifting it up and showing you it. But now he's gonna just tie it so it'd be easier to lose it, because the last time I did something like that, we can never use the net back again, so see how this goes.
Deep down in Louisiana, close to New Orleans, way back up in the woods among the evergreens, there stood a log cabin made of earth and wood, where lived a country boy named Johnny B. Good, who never ever learned to read or write so well, but he could play a guitar just like a ringing a bell. Go, go! Go, Johnny, go, go! Go, Johnny, go, go! Go, Johnny, go, go! Go, Johnny, go, go! Johnny B. Good. He used to carry his guitar in a gunny sack, go sit beneath the tree by the railroad track. Old engineer with him sitting in the shade, strumming with the rhythm that the drivers made. When people passing by, they would stop and say, "Oh my, but that little country boy could play." Go, 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 Johnny, go, go.
Yes, hello. Yeah, I was one time here in this area here by Borgay, and I was with Gui, I think, and we were planning catching some fish here. We was laying a net here in the same spot here, and we caught some big fish, like a salmon, a trout, and we caught some þorskur in the net. Big þorskur, like 20 laps or a pound. Yes, me and Gauji was a problem with to get it in the boat, and there all was the big fish, and we were very problem to sit in, and then come the small síli called síli, and he tried to follow it all the way, and the net was all out of the area here, and then a seal come. The seal come swimming around here and tried to follow the fish, and þorskurinn was following the
Okay, so we are now taking out the net, and this is a moment of truth. Don't ask why Ólafur is topless. It's a long story, so
what is this handsome guy here?
so okay, I'm now holding the camera, so Guðjón, you can say I'm retarded with a camera.
You are retarded.
Thank you, Guðjón. Alright, as you want about, alright, and you see nothing is covered right now, so it's not true.
We are in the holding in the one to catch some fish, but it's not looking alright. Here we are draining the net in. Yeah, I have a lot of muscles, yes, I know it. And here you see the net is like nice to the hammer.
Almost done. We're almost done with this, net number 2.
This is nothing in this. It's a very deep net with a small float. And
Floaties.
we are planning nothing in this net, not even a sandkvöld.
But you can see it's dirty. Why is it dirty, Ólafur?
They are dirty the net because there's a lot of heat around the sea. The many strömmur, and the sun come in the sea and fucked up the fari, the mud, and they are losing out of the bottom, and
The dirt is coming out of
and
the
they float all the way out of the sea.
Yeah.
Very exciting.
Yeah.
Yes, here we planning tray up, and here I'm losing. Yeah, the other net is coming in.
Net number 1.
Yeah, number 2, Bjarni.
No, it's number 1. The other was number 2.
Yes, okay, Bjarni. We hope some fish will go around here to go very fast in because the winter is pulling us a little bit. Here we see Gaui, he's very excited about this trip. Very excited, I know that.
Yeah.
Yes.
We can see it on his face right now. Remember, this was a happy day.
Yes, Bjarni, it's a very right. We are planning to go sometimes in Vestfjörður and try to catch some there. It's often more fishes there in this teamy in this time of the year.
Yeah.
I don't catch some fish in this our year, and we hope we catch any fish. This year. It's gonna be a long summer. Started very horrible, and it's coming. Yeah, it's coming together. Yes.
Now you see we don't catch any fish, but good generator and the boat is making a little hard sea for Ólafur to lose the net.
Yeah, the bowl.
Yeah, now you see it right now. Right, so this is the movie Babe. Hope you enjoyed it, and yeah.
See you next week.